Are you tired of pumping out content? Do you wish you can just grow your email list with little to no work in the process? Do you wish your email list could be the newsletter/community everyone wants to join? Creating content may come easy, but it's useless if no one's looking at it. Having a successful email marketing strategy requires 3 things. 1. Email content. 2. Email automations. 3. Email conversions. You may have one piece of the pie, but you need all 3 to see any kind of growth. However, it may seem like a daunting task to focus on your email marketing strategy when you have an entire list of to-dos in your content business. If you're wanting to automate your to-dos in your content business, I recommend checking out these articles. https://lifewithtina.medium.com/list/content automation at F902D67A0C06. For email marketing content, check out these articles. https://lifewithtina.medium.com/list/email marketing 19463E3C7E. But what about the rest? How do we grow our email list without needing to create more content to drive traffic? You've come to the perfect place. Let's get into it. The strategy to grow your email list on autopilot. Question: whose opinion do you trust more? 1. A stranger? 2. A friend? If you're like most people, you'll trust a friend before a stranger. That is why you want to grow your email list through Refer a Friend programs. Instead of depending on your own traffic efforts to grow your email list, you're going to leverage your audience's network to promote it for you. For every referral that joins your email list, you're going to reward the host email subscriber, the one who's doing the promoting for you, with milestone rewards. For example, for every X individual you refer that signs up, you can get X reward for free. Your milestone reward structure. My current milestone rewards when you join my email list are: 1. When you refer 5 people equals get a free promo opportunity to the Online Entrepreneurs Club. 2. When you refer 10 people equals get a free Google Docs to Medium course. 3. When you refer 15 people equals get a free Facebook group funnels course. 4. When you refer 30 people equals get a free blog article database. Of course, my email rewards will differ from yours. I recommend rewarding digital products that don't require extra work to fulfill. If you don't have any digital products, then you could create 1. Checklists. 2. Printables. Anything that's easy to make and will be something that your audience would want. If you're not sure what your audience wants, I recommend checking out this article. https://medium.com/new-writers-welcome/guide how to conduct market research for your dream client C8583B5614D6 source equals your story S page. Tools plus tips. The tool that I use for my Refer a Friend campaigns is Perkzilla. It truly takes care of the tracking, reward gifting, and referral links for me. It's easy to set up if you have a platform like MailerLite to host your email marketing campaigns. All you have to do is embed the HTML code into your landing pages. My recommended tips for promoting your Refer a Friend campaigns are: 1. Make a public email announcement to your email list letting them know to sign up for your referral program. 2. Insert the sign up referral link into your signatures or at the footer of every email you sent out. How many email subscribers are you planning to get with Perkzilla? In summary, I've shown you how you can grow an email list without creating content. You leverage your audience's network to do the heavy promotion for you. I've also shown you that my recommended rewards offerings should be digital products that are created with easy delivery in mind. My favorite recommended tool is Perkzilla to host Refer a Friend campaigns.